Good afternoon, traders. Yeah, I just finished trading 2 minutes ago. What a day. Just awful. Anyway, so we're looking at the 1 minute. See, I even said, okay, well, I'm going to trade the 1 minute because these motherfuckers are making it more difficult for us, you know? And, yeah, that's what they're doing. So the best move was over here, okay? Did I trade them? No, I'm always too afraid because it's so close to the opening, right? 9:30 right here, see? Right here, 9:30 they come and bought off the pivot right here and took it way up here to an all-time new high. Yeah, that's what they did. The buggers. Anyway, lower close. Buy it right there, and up it goes. Yep. Then once again, low. This is actually a hookup. This is a hookup right here. That's where you buy it. Diamond. Diamond would go here. Let me just make that a little bigger, and I'll pull this back, and you can see it. There is the sell fake, not much of one, that it came back up. And if you would have bought just above this little wick right here, up it went. You know, up went, it up. I can't talk. Holy fuck. It went up. How much? Holy fuck, man. 291 tickers. That was good. And then up here, what did it do? Oh, it did shit. That's what it did. I don't know. All I can tell you is I traded in here. Not particularly setups, market flow, and the market flow fucked me over and over and over again. It must have been, I am not kidding you, I must have fucking traded over 10, I'd say 15, maybe 17 times today. Make a profit, give it back, break even, make a loss, make a profit, back to break even. Like 15 fucking times today. I did end up making 10 points in the end. But that's it after this, I don't know what you'd want to call it. A ride with Jungle Jim in the 4x4 or the Jeep. Oh, I tell you, I'm just so drained right now from trading this fucking shit. So anyway, we have a double top right up here. I didn't even see it. Here's the 1 minute. I didn't even see it till just now. Fuck. Because I wasn't really looking for divergence because it was such hell going through here. You know what I mean? It was like a ride in the Jeep with Jungle Jim. Or Jane, the girl. I don't know. You know, Tarzan and girl. For fuck's sakes, man. Ah! Oh yeah. They're fucking with people, man. You can see it right on the fucking chart. Especially when you know, like, let me try and show you a place. I guess I can't now because it's disappeared what it did. The painting of the candle disappeared. But look at this candle right here, okay? So you see, say you bought right in here somewhere and it went up. or say you even bought there and it went up and then it went right back down, and if you tried to get out, you got out with a loss. You see what I mean? They're doing this all the time. They're doing these, I don't know what you'd call it, structures of where traders will learn how to talk and then buy and sell. Yeah. And then they're just fucking you and taking it back the other way. That's what they're doing. There's no freaking follow through. Like right here, see, they got you selling, they got you buying, they got you selling, they got you buying, then they got you again selling, and then they got you buying, and then they got you selling, then they got you buying, then they selling. You see what I mean? I couldn't say the last one. Selling. They're just fishing us like we're fucking fish in a barrel. It's like I've said before. If they continue to do this, people are just not going to trade, and they won't have any suckers like us on the other side of their fucking manipulation. So what are you going to do then? Where are you going to get the money then if we all fucking leave? Yeah. Anyway, fucking drained. So let's say we did this trade. I think I did do a sell in here and I took something. It was one of my, make it back or back to break even or whatever. Yeah, I did it. I did a sell in here. I think I did a buy in here too. The pullback. Yeah. And it didn't keep going. No, fuck no. We're just going to do a buy fake to an all-time new high right here and take it down. Yeah, and take it down. We're not taking it up, we're taking it down. And right here, see a low, a retracement, and a lower low? There's no divergence here because this side of the valley needs to be smaller than the right side. So there was no buy in here to go up. But the nicest trade here is right here. Like, I seen this one for sure. Oh, yeah, Betsy Lou. Right here. Boom. And I guess it's a little shorter than I thought, but something like that. I think it's that one. So we just shorten this one and put it on this one right there. There it is. Okay. Put a sold here and down it went. Beautiful. Broke the low, came down. And it came back up. And it went into this fucking sidewinder shit, and they were dancing on the fucking 21,600 level. And then there's no divergence here. No, there's none. There's none. You just had to, I don't know, flip a quarter or a nickel or a dime. Oh, look at it coming down now. We're not in it. Here's a trade there. I'll show you it. There's no buy off of here. This is the fucking Elon launch pad right fucking here at the 600 level. And yeah, and it went up here. And then, yeah, there was a trade up here too. Okay. Something like this. Like a double top kind of thing. And you would have got short right in here. I even said to myself today, I'm going to come in at 10 o'clock and trade this fucking shit. See right here, I adjusted my time to 10 o'clock. See that right there? Straight up. That's when I started looking for a trade. That didn't help me either. And then, of course, before 10 o'clock, look at this monster move right here. Up. Oh, fuck. It's like they know. They read your mind. It's voodoo. It's hexed. Voodoo hex. Hex. It's cursed, man. fucking cursed. So anyway, I came down here and and what? Yeah, we had a trade here too. Right there. Right there. That's divergence. You would have, if you're smart, you would have bought like just above this wick right here, and then it gave you some room to take some profit. And then there's another trade. This is the last trade I'm going to mark on the fucking chart. Okay? Got to go higher than where I started drawing it from. Okay? It has to always go higher. So we come down from the mountain peak over here. Now I got the hiccups. I think it was right there. Close enough. Yeah, and you would have sold it right in here. Let me put the arrow on there. When I said last trade, I mean for Ninja Trader. So if you sold it here, I did this trade too. If you sold it here and you took profit, you know, just before or somewhere around the 600 level, well, you made some profit here. You know? Like I told you, I don't use fucking stops. So it is what it is. And because I use market orders to get in and get out, oh, they fucking slip me like no tomorrow. But if I was to put limit orders on or stop orders, they won't get filled. You know what I mean? So that's why I don't fuck with them. So believe me, more than 30%, at least minimum 30 to 40% of the ticks that I had, but they fucking slipped me when I got in or out. Yeah, I just give it back to the fucking whoever is behind it. I'm not gonna say who and where I'm trading now, but I'm just saying they just slipped the living shit out of you. Yeah, because I'm using market orders, not limit. Anyway, those are the trades today. If you're a scalper, la-di-da, there was some trades. Okay, so don't lift that up. I need to bring over MetaTrader 4. So I was on the 1 minute. Let's just go to the 5 on this chart, okay? Yeah, I'm supposed to go to 5. There it is. This is NASDAQ 5 minute. Look, it shot up for non-farm payroll and came back down like this. I don't know. Is that a trade? I don't think so. Just buy a dip. Up it went. Look at this barcode up here. Just seen it now. And the fucking... Oh, buy. No, no, no. Sell. Oh, no, 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 no. Buy. No, no, no. Don't buy. Sell. Oh, let's buy again. You know what I'm fucking saying? They're they're making it look like it's going up and they take it back down. They make it look like they're taking it down and they take it back up. And fuck you. Over and over and over again. There's no fucking continuation. Except for right here. It's fucked, man. They're manipulating us like no fucking tomorrow. I'm telling you. Okay, Jason, quit fucking yelling and swearing. Okay, here's the S&P. Look at this barcode. Wow. Yeah, we had a trade. What do you know? If you're brave enough to get in it. Right here. Lower lows. Right there. Where would you jump in? I do not know. Okay? Let's just put this in the middle of the candle for the fuck of it. So you got in there, but I don't think so. That thing, it just went down and it just jumped back up. Yeah, oh yeah, it was just terrible. That's why you shouldn't trade non-farm payroll or any other news event. That's my beliefs anyway. I watched it and I know there's people trading it. I just laugh because I know they're getting killed and they know better. They shouldn't trade it. Don't trade it and you won't have any catastrophes. The news, just avoid it till like 5 or 10 minutes later, depending how extremely it moved or jumped up and down like a fucking kangaroo. That's it. Okay. There's no trade in here to buy it. Well, there's just these. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. And we also have a sell fake. It's a hookup. Where is that? Oh, right here. Supposed to get in somewhere up here above both moving averages. I don't know. Doesn't look too good, does it? No. I guess there is some divergence here if like a triple top. Down like this. So if you would have drew a trend line, that would have been the smartest thing to do, just like this. After this shit happened. See, it didn't tell you to sell in here because the 5 is still above the 7 throughout this until right here. It would have told you to sell right here. You got to wait for the 5 to be below the 7. So if you sold right in here and your stop was up here, you made money. It came down here. And then right here is another hook down. Oh, my nose is itchy. Oh, so anyway, if you would have sold in here, you would have made a profit. Would have been good. This is the Dow, and it was good. Finally was good. Just had one wick today. Okay, where did we get in, right? Would have been right here because we have to wait for the 5 to come down below the 7 to get in the trade. And it came down about 50, 60 points. This is the Dow. Then it went sideways kind of thing, and then it drifted lower. There was no hidden divergence right here and here to sell this down move here. But look what we have right over here. But I wouldn't trade this because we're past the mid-range. We're past the top range. You don't want to sell in the lower bottom range. So I'm not going to mark that, but it was. It was a hook down right here, and it worked. Pound dollar 15-minute. Oh, now the hiccups. God. I hate when it does this. There's a big move up and then it just slowly goes lower, 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 low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. You know? They just fuck people again. You see all these different things? I've seen all, no, not all of them, but I've seen all their tricks, man, that they're trying to trick people into. I've seen them all. I've seen this before, like probably 100 times this year. We're back in the old days, okay, 2007, 2008. We would buy this dip right here, okay? And yeah, it went up a bit, But you couldn't hold on to it to keep going. Then they started fucking selling it down. You know what I mean? Yeah. You can only do so many tricks, right, on this thing. It goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways. That's it. Anyway, let's move on to the euro. I don't see nothing on there. There, the euro did the... Oh, look at this. This little fucking sidewinder. And then the big spike up. How many pips did it go up? Yeah, only 47. There's no trade here either. It's just god awful. Pound yen, did you give me a trade? Oh, maybe. Yes, maybe. Yeah, that's good. That's close enough, eh? Yeah, come on. That's close enough. Now we take this one down like that, and we get rid of this one. Yeah, we had a trade there. It was a double top. It was sticking out at you like a sore thumb, as a boomer would say, because I'm a boomer. In the 60s, 64, I boom, boom. I went out and went boom, boom. Yeah, and watch the Flintstones with Bam Bam. Oh, God, I'm a nut. Anyway, what the fuck am I looking for? I think I'm looking for an arrow. There we go. That was a nice trade on the pound yen today. Went down 130 pips. It was good. Did the euro do the same thing? The euro yen? No, not quite the same. There's no fucking divergence up there either. You bastards. There's a big move down though. If you would have jumped in there, down it goes. Oil. What did oil do? Oh, on the 15. Yeah, it was really rough today. All that I can see is higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Again, there's just a ton of them in here. Anyway, that's enough trades. 1, 2, 3. If you would have held on to the last one, woo-wee, down here it goes. So you would have made 40 pips on the last trade. All right. That was oil. That was oil. Yeah, that was oil. We need to look at gold. Yeah, gold. Ooh, very flip-floppy. Oh, I see a trade right off the bat. Higher highs. Right down to that little blue doodah right there. So your entry would have been right here. Let me show ya. Right there. Yeah. Went back up, and screwed around, came back down. You would have sold it right here. Your stop would always be at the swing high, no matter how big it is. And if you don't want to trade, if there's too much risk, then don't trade it. Don't place the trade. You know what I'm saying? Because from here to up here is 76 points, ticks on gold. Actually, it's probably a lot more. That thing I can never figure out how much the points is or the ticks. It's just wild. So anyway, if you got in this trade, if you risk 76, how much did it go down? Well, it went down over 100. So you would have done good on this trade. And it also had a, right here, buy fake. You know what that means? We had a hook down right here, and you would have sold it, and boom, big candle down here. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Look at this, double bottom on, just kind of tweak it a little bit right there. It's 2 long wicks to the bottom. Come on, it's a double bottom. Is it perfect? No, it's lopsided, but who cares? As long as it worked. And did it work? Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked beautifully. Okay. And you would have got long right in there. And it went up 77 ticks on gold. Or pips, or whatever the hell you want to call them. So anyway, that's it for the markets that move. And these markets do move. NASDAQ was just such shitty movement today. Oh my God. I never even saw this last night until somebody mentioned it. I was watching a live stream. Bitcoin. As they described it, they said Bitcoin puked today. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, it went to the new all-time high, right up here, which was 104,600. And then this is the puke right here. See, there's a big long wick down to here. Okay? And here's the high. It dropped down $13,650 yesterday. It puked. It puked down here. Yeah, it puked. There we go. We can see it on the 4 hour. Check it out. Check out Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. All these people who want to take profits, or I don't know, maybe they want to buy the top and they put their stop down here and they took them out. There's a reason they took this fucker down here below these lows here. There's a reason. There must have been lots of liquidity there for the people who are crazy. Listen to this now. For the people who are crazy enough to trade Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency or whatever you want to call them, if you're crazy enough to trade it with margin, okay, and you're not buying the actual Bitcoin and storing it on your ledger, okay, well, you're just looking for trouble, okay, because they just came and they had margin calls for all kinds of people in here. So I'm just telling you, there is 2 things you can trade with no margin call, no margin whatsoever. That is stock shares and crypto. So if you're losing money trading something with margin, they keep coming you and getting you and go, oh, margin call, oh, we hit your stop, oh, this, oh, that. The only way you can break out away from that is leave the brokerage. If you want to trade crypto, go and buy. You can buy, probably as low as $5 worth of it if you want. But you got to learn how to, put it on the ledger and store it where you're not going to get screwed by all the margin calls from trading on brokers' accounts. Okay? Believe it or not, what I just told you could save you so much money if you listen to what I'm saying. I'm telling you. Look at that move. Woo! Crazy. What's it at? 99,000. Yeah. Right back to 100. And all those people who bought up here, FOMO, and your stop was down here, well, they came and got you. You need to buy the actual coins, my friends, okay? You don't trade on brokers with margin calls. You're going to get screwed. And XRP. Oh, we got a little spurt. It's it's going sideways right now, and the big dogs, woo, woo, they're filling their orders in here at a better price. That's what they're doing. I bet you that's what they're doing. Okay, then we have silver. Oh, it's still in the same place. Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum ready to go to all-time new highs, man. If you buy some Ethereum, don't trade it on a fucking platform, on a broker's platform. Buy the digital coins. No margin call. They won't steal your money. You can hold on to the trade for 2 years, 5 years, as long as you want. Like some of these cryptos are poised to go up hundreds of ticks, points, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and the yen, the Japanese yen, oh, it's still sitting in the same place too. Okay, I want to thank you for watching today, and sorry about being a little late today. I told you the story at the beginning. It wasn't fun. So, if you're going to keep trading this afternoon, please be careful. It's very, very, how would you call it? Oh, what's that word called? Well, you can call it manipulation, but it's called, oh, fuck, I forgot the name. Oh, the aluminum's working on me again. Again. It's, what the hell do they call that word? The robots? No, it's not the robots. It's, they're running. Fuck, man, I can't believe the aluminum in my head. Sorry, I can't remember. Anyway, have a great weekend. Come back on Monday. Good luck and good trading.